time to let off the fireworks.
She usually sleeps until like 11.
We are young.
That's the problem. Just imagine your phone beeping in your ear.
Big one.
I turn my phone.
Woo!
No, I don't turn my phone off. I don't hear my phone when I'm sleeping. And sometimes one goes under my pillow and it's on all the way.
No, we don't do that. We keep our phone on the other side of the bed, or on the floor, or on the table.
I don't. I put mine on my pillow.
You can't do that. Why? Because people like me? No, because when I'm trying to...
Woo!
Text me the most weirdest thing.
What?
You don't even say hi. You just go,
I do sometimes.
I'm getting a dog. Hi. Okay.
I said hi after, at least.
After. This is supposed to be bye.
Oh, that was a good one. I like missed half of it. We are young. So let's set the world on fire. Wow. Oh, that is awesome. That looks beautiful.
Do that again.
Do another one of those.
Last one. Everyone move. Joe, seriously move.
This is the last one.
Oh, cool. Wonder if...
Man, I wish I did this in the beginning.
the stick is.
All right, move.
I just saw the stick.
Cool.
Tonight.
Is that all of them?
No, we have more.
There's a green ball.
Oh, let that be.
Ooh.
There's these ones that you set on fire and then you throw them, they blow up. Like grenades.
Is that it?
No.
I never listened to T97.
Are we done?
I listened to 104,
Ronnie, are we done?
105.
Are we done?
I listened to
Are we done?
with my own station.
Guys, are we done? Oh, we're not done.
Okay, now I gotta turn it off. Make sure you don't play anything.
Where'd my chair go?
Stay right there, Jason.
I can't even see it. It's blind.
I hope you can find your shoes, Marie.
Oh, I see them. Sorta. Are the only things left sparklers?
Bug friend.
Are sparklers the only thing left?
My flip-flops over here.
Oh, alright.
Where am I?
Alright, I guess we're done.